Hello, today I want to share with you about the zip topic. I have one here. I check. This size is good, but this size, the teeth of the zip came off from the fabric to support it. So in this case, I cannot fix the zip. I have to buy a new zip to put in. And this is second case. I check along here. The teeth still very good. So in this case, I think it's too tight, and then the customer tried to zip to zip it up. That's why it came off. And now I think I want to take this one zip, take the slider off to fix it. To take this is line and dress, so to take it you have to find. This is line and dress, so you can see the zip stay between the lining and the dress. Okay, it usually have the hole here, and then I try to put the lock through the hole here. And then zip it down. Okay, I got it now. And from here we have they glued two pieces together, so I like to gentle to undo it, but I don't damage the teeth. Okay, the lock of the zip can come off from here. Okay, I put it down, and then now I put this one back again. Pretty easy, and I got them together now. I got them together, hold at the end, and then try to zip this one up. Okay, sorry, this one in black color. So after you zip it one up, you get the lock of the slider, come back to that hole again. Okay, and then we turn to the right side. When you turn to the right side, you can see the lock of the zipper came out, and now you just gentle to set it up, stay in normal position, and then hold the bottom of the zip, and then you zip this one up. That's all. So nothing wrong with the slider of the zip, because they have too many things along here. That's why when you use it, it's difficult, and sometimes you you cannot part this one, so I recommend you use hand stitching to put this one down, to keep this one open a little bit. So now you have to close this one again, this one. I'm sorry, I don't have in other color, dress in other color to show you, but next time if I have it in bright color, I will show you again. And now just lock this one, that's all. And lock a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. By the way, I would like to do a little bit stitching here to make this one stay flat, so the zip can pass this point easy. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel to get my new video. Please press also to press the bell. Thank you very much.